starboard.
Hard starboard, aye. Captain, they are charging weapons.
Battle stations, bring weapons online. Tell Forge he's not done out there yet.
Alerting the sergeant. Aye, sir. So, am I the only one freaked out by the fact we're inside the planet? Captain, we need damage control, or the Spirit of Fire is going down.
Forge, use Cyclopses to repair the power core while you defend against Covenant attacks.
All units.
All right.
On the way. They're attacking our power core.
All units. Local units. All units.
Standing by.
Captain, they're transporting invasion forces onto the hull.
What you say?
Turret complete. Turret complete. Turret complete. All units. Local units.
On the way.
Oh my
Turret
goodness.
improved.
Standing by.
Turret improved.
Standing by.
Turret improved. Turret improved.
Ready. Oh, on. Ready. Easily done. Let's go. We're going. Standing by.
Bastards.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit.
Ready. On the way.
Yes. Got it.
Cyclops, ready. Cyclops, ready to crush. Yes, sir. Standing by. Yes, sir.
Quickly. Oh boy. I don't really have the
Good to go. Cyclops.
manpower to.
Yes, sir.
They're attacking with both aircraft and ground troops. We should upgrade our turrets to counter appropriately.
Yeah, no shit.
Ready to strike. On the way.
Turret complete. Local units.
Right away.
Local units.
On the way. Right away.
Quickly.
Turret complete.
Ready. Got it.
Yes.
Right away. On the way. Right away. On the way. On the way.
Quickly.
Our power core has been repaired about halfway.
Turret improved.
Easily done. Got it. Standing by. Rip them up.
Local units.
On the way. Ready. Easily done. Easily done. Easily done. Easily done. Let's go.
Yeah, yeah. I hear you think it's easily
Standing
done.
by. Ready. Give me an order. Got it.
Turret complete. Turret complete.
I don't even know what that is.
Send us in.
Turret improved. Turret
What
improved.
the hell is shooting? Oh shit.
Waiting for orders. Easily done. Ready to roll. On the way. Blast them.
Our power core is about 75% repaired.
Is that the only objective of the mission? I don't freaking know.
Turret improved.
Right away.
More resources required.
I got you.
Local units.
On the way.
Turret complete. Local units.
Take them down.
Turret improved. Local units.
All station. Got it.
More resources required.
Ready. Strike.
Turret complete.
You got it. Standing by. Yes. Yes. Quick, fire. Standing by. Taking command.
Local units.
Where to, sir?
Turret improved.
Oh shit.
Standing by. Yes.
They've taken a bite out of our repair efforts. Fight them off.
Trying to, bro.
Standing by. I'll handle it. Standing by. Standing by. Yes, sir. Standing by. Yes, sir. I'll get it. I'll handle it. Reporting in. Waiting for orders. Inbound to target. I'll handle it. Yes, sir. Eyes on the prize. Standing by.
The power core is fully repaired. Serena, best speed away.
That was it? What? That was a short mission, so we'll do another one. What the hell? Too easy, and that was gold too.
Restraints off. Your judgment has waited long enough.
Just get it over with.
The ancients have granted us the power to doom your race. Let the deconstruction of our gifts begin. The majesty of our new fleet will be unparalleled.
punctured. Surface.
That worked out pretty well. Or maybe not.
Lady, I haven't got all day. You want to be rescued or not?
Local units.
On the way.
Such a cocky
So what?
bastard.
No thanks for rescuing me, Sergeant. On the way.
Later. The Covenant are assembling a huge fleet.
On the way.
All units.
On the way.
It's over here before I leave. Oh shit.
Let's get some.
These guys are getting clapped.
Local units.
What is that?
On the way.
I don't even know.
On the way. Suddenly this LZ doesn't look so good. Spirit, we're gonna need backup. Right away. And another Pelican.
Oh shit.
Let's get out of here. I saw a teleporter over there.
Local units.
Right away.
Ah, we're gonna clap these things. Well, it's literally the last week
On the
of
way.
the year, bro.
On the way.
I don't know what you guys have planned for this year, 2025. We're
Local
getting a
units.
new president.
On the way.
So shit's about to get real. People are gonna get deported. The word
Right away.
deportation
On
is
the
gonna
way.
become a word you cannot say on YouTube. This video
Right
might
away.
get deported
Right away.
from the servers. Good cheat, I guess.
Right away.
Destroy that thing, bro. Burn that thing.
Right away.
Ew, what is this thing?
Blast him. Right away. On the way. Firing.
All units.
Kill these bird thingy majiggies.
Right away. Right away.
Kill it.
Rocket in the air. On the way.
All units.
This disgusting thing. There's nothing back here, right? Nothing at all. Alright,
On the way. On the way. On the way.
enter that thingy majiggy. Thingy majiggy. Ooh, what are you these?
Local units.
Right away.
What is this flying thing?
Local units.
Take him down.
Fuck was that thing?
Right away.
All units.
On the way.
Alright, teleport. We're going down here. But yeah, 2025 is gonna be crazy, bro. Hopefully you guys have an awesome and blessed year.
Spirit of fire. We are ready for transport. Anders, stay by that beacon.
I really appreciate you guys watching this year, you know?
Local units.
This year, 2024, I was like kind of
On the way.
crazy and decided to do something risky, which was just start publishing videos, you know? Not
On the
really
way.
giving a fuck whether it hits
way.
and I get thousands of millions of trillions of billions of viewers. I didn't really give a freak.
Quick, fire.
So I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna see what happens, you know? Decided to take a small little
On
risk.
the way.
It's not really a risk at all, honestly. But it was something I kind of was interested in doing it for you
I
guys.
think I know how to stop the Covenant. I need to get to my lab.
Local units.
So
Baby
classy.
steps, Professor. Let's try not dying first. On the way.
So yeah, 2024 was the start
On the
of
way.
this channel, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the Halo content. We're gonna
On the way.
roam outside the comforts of Halo and try out some different things. Soon enough, we're gonna be like the Brad Rat, you know, just play random shit, post some good videos for you guys. We're not gonna be cracked or anything like that.
Falcon inbound to your position.
Watch that 6.
Who are they gonna take?
Finally. Sergeant, I need you to stay down here and get this area locked down.
Oh yeah, so bossy, bro.
Well, what do you know? Lockdown is my specialty.
So bossy, dude. Get out of here, stupid horde. Nah, just
Local
kidding.
units.
Yay, more ODSTs.
Local units.
Oh, there's some mega
Local
team, right?
units.
Need a hand? Show off.
Got Omega team up in this bitch. No, I'm supposed to cross, but I'm not going to do that yet. I think I'm supposed to build a base up here anyways.
All units.
Right away.
You know, I've really enjoyed playing Halo for you guys. It's for sure one of my favorite games.
Right away.
And I hope you guys are actually enjoying it.
Right away. On the way.
And I can't tell what
Right away.
is going to come out of this, because I have no freaking clue.
All units. All units.
Right away.
Oh
Right
shit.
away.
All units.
We got elites.
All units.
Oh goddamn.
All units.
Yes. Taking command.
Ready. You got it.
All units.
Blast them.
Yes.
Ready.
Yes. Got it.
Ready. Taking command.
Quickly, take it.
Where to? On the way.
Check your gear, people.
Ready.
Yes.
Right away. On the way. Ready. Where to? On the way. Where to?
That was it.
All units.
On the way.
All units.
Where to?
But yeah, I always lose my train of thought halfway all the time because I just be getting distracted. But anyways, hopefully y'all understand that I really, truly, madly, deeply appreciate you guys watching these videos.
All units.
It means a lot. Thank you. But no homo. Maybe just a little bit.
Local units.
On the way.
Just a little bit.
More resources required.
Right away.
What the hell?
On the way.
Why are they not shooting?
Where to?
Local units.
Where to? On the
Supply pad complete.
Hooray.
Where to? On the way.
Turret complete.
What is this? Supply, okay. I don't mind getting more supplies. We'll take it. We'll take anything we can.
Supply pad complete.
Alright.
Turret complete.
It's coming along. You know, every year is
Local units.
it's a new year.
On the way.
Duh. But no, really, it's a new year, you know? Try new things. Take more risks. Do whatever.
Reactor complete.
Ready. You got it. Taking command.
Oh, I flew by too
Turret
fast.
complete.
What the hell? He freaking crashed against my ass. I feel like the elephants are not that
Supply
good.
pad upgrade.
They're not that good.
Supply pad complete.
The only thing that can come out this far is Banshee, so
Turret complete. More resources required.
I see that.
Turret improved.
Ready.
Turret improved. Turret improved.
Right away.
Supply pad upgraded. Local
On
units.
the way.
Supply pad complete. Local units.
On the way. Ready. I'm on it. Ready. Hopping on.
Pad upgraded.
Take them down.
Total failure.
Local units.
Alright. You want to be able to get that. Whoa.
Ready. Where to?
Turret improved.
Yes.
Alright, good job. You did it. Crazy son of a bitch. We're gonna complete this mission with the my favorite vehicle, Airpad.
Reactor complete.
It's just so good, so good, bro. Why does it feel like I can get another base over here? This map is huge. Good thing we got the anti-air shit.
Yes. Got it.
Ready. Got it. Ready.
Air pad complete.
You got it. Where to? On the way.
Move those a little bit out. We want to get that. Alright, everything's so good. So far, so good.
Ready.
Some random spores, I guess.
Yes. Got it.
I think that that flood thing is back on.
Yes. I'll get it.
The hell?
Yes.
How's it not doing that much damage? This almost seems wild.
Ready.
Alright, whatever.
Wingmen research. More resources required.
In this particular map, I feel like this is kind of worth it.
Reactor improved.
And these things are broken, so we need those as well.
Ordered on station.
Yes.
Oh shit.
Yes. Got it.
Ordered in the air.
She, dude. How many? Takes 6 people. Alright. I feel like I should make one of these.
Hornet prepped and flying.
It'll be worth it. I just know it. You
Hornet, good to go.
Hitching a ride.
take that shit.
Yes.
On my way.
Local unit.
$800 for those. It's totally worth it. Let's get it.
All units.
On the way.
Alright, we're almost ready. Almost ready to move on. We're gonna get 2 of these guys. 2. Alright. We'll max out just so we can get going.
Vulture.
We won't have enough time to upgrade these. For sure we will. So I ain't tripping. Oh my goodness. Pure chaos.
Got it. Ready. Hornet on station. Hornet here. Hornet here. On the way.
Oh shit.
Hornet here.
All units.
On the way.
Alright. I gotta go take a piss real quick, but this should be done by then. I shall be back.
Vulture on station. Hornet prepped and flying.
Mega barrage research. All units.
Right away.
Alright. I am ready to go.
All
basically.
units.
On the way.
Move out.
Yes.
Yes, see.
Local units.
Hornet here.
Local units.
Right away. Right away.
All units.
Right away. Quick, fire!
Here it comes. Initial coordinates dropping the herd.
All units.
pad. Seven seconds.
All units.
On the way. Hornet here. On the way. Hornet in the air. Ready. Hornet attack. Hornet here.
Field armory complete.
Got it.
What the fuck?
Well, looky there. The Covenant abandoned the Scarab. Wonder if they left the keys in it.
Ooh.
Ready.
Local units.
Got it. Hornet on station.
Station complete.
Easily done.
Excellent. Let's make this base operation.
Local units.
No.
Fortress upgrade complete. Local units.
Ready. Got it. Got it.
Local units.
Got it. Easily done. Easily
Supply
done.
pad complete.
Ready. Hopping on. You know, the Covenant really shouldn't leave their toys lying around.
They should not.
Got it. Yes. On the way.
Turret improved.
Ready.
Local units.
In my sight. Initial bombs out.
Local units.
Done.
Local units.
On the way.
Local units. Supply pad complete. Turret complete.
On my way.
Turret improved. Local units. All units.
On the way.
All units. Supply pad upgraded.
On the way.
And what's over here exactly?
Supply pad complete.
On the way.
All units.
On the way. On the way.
Is there anything over here?
All units.
Right away.
All units.
On the way.
I gotta get up there anyway, so just gonna wait for this thing to finish building.
Supply pad complete. More resources required. Station complete. More resources required. Supply pad upgraded.
How many more resources could I possibly make?
Local units. All units.
What happens if I go in
Fortress
here?
upgrade complete.
Like, I mean, really?
Hornet here. On my way.
Yeah, just come over here.
On my way.
Air pad complete. Supply pad complete. More resources required.
This is just gonna be straight up supplies, bro.
Hornet here.
Local units.
Jeez.
Reinforcements research.
Way the fuck over there.
Supply pad complete. Supply pad complete.
All of those are upgraded. So we're chilling, I think. All of those turrets are good. Space, how's it going? Can make something there.
Local units.
Got it.
Local.
Supply pad upgraded.
You guys are local. Nothing there.
Got it. Got it.
Just explore. See what's over here. I don't think I've ever explored this far out.
Supply pad complete.
Got it.
Who cheat?
Got it.
Nothing?
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Got it.
Turret upgraded. All units.
Oops.
Supply pad complete.
Yes.
Hornet here.
Local units.
I mean, I don't want to get ahead of myself.
On the way.
Local units.
Got it.
Local.
Supply pad upgraded. Supply pad upgraded. Supply pad upgraded. Supply pad complete.
Alright.
Local units.
Is that it?
Turret improved. Turret improved. All units.
On the way.
I think it is time. There's nothing back here. I think I already explored that back here, right? Pretty sure.
Local units.
Hornet here.
Alright.
Hornet here.
That was that one. Alright.
Hornet here.
Supply pad complete. All units.
All units.
On the way.
This is where I started.
Hornet prepped and flying. On the
I
way.
have to explore this area now.
Hornet here. On my way.
Oh my goodness.
Here it comes. And it's dropping the herd. Deliver in the bank. Hornet in the air.
All units.
On the way.
All units.
Alright, get back here.
All units. Reserves. Research. All units. Forge is down.
Oh shit.
All units.
On my way.
All units.
Hornet attack.
All units.
Hornet attack.
Jesus. This guy got absolutely demolished. I need one of these hornets, like, over here. I need to see what's over here.
On my way.
And that was loud as fuck. Can I make a base here? Maybe not.
Hornet here.
Just explore over
On
here.
my way.
Explore, discover.
Turret upgrade.
Me wanna see.
On my way.
Nothing.
On my way. On my way.
Nothing, huh?
On my way. On my way.
Forge is back up.
On the way. Captain, the area is locked down. Anders done with her skull
That's it?
section?
Alright. Good shit.
The professor's filled me in. Good work, Sergeant. Stand by for mission briefing.
Hopefully you guys have an awesome New Year's Eve. Again, 2024 was pretty awesome. And we're gonna make 2025 great again. We're gonna make Halo great again. Yes, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Well, God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys next year.